What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Today we're heading out on the kayak out here on the Stones River, just bringing some soft plastics and whatever we got here in the boat. We're gonna be messing around. I've got a little bit of a new crankbaity thing I want to try, but we're gonna get out here and see what we can catch out here on the Stones River. Hope we can find something. I opted to come here over the lake today, so hopefully it wasn't a bad decision, but it's not running, so I should be able to take a little bit of a trip further up than I normally go, so hopefully we'll find something. So hold on tight, guys. Let's go get on the reel. Let's go try to catch some fish. All right, I think we're in. We're ready to push off. Slowly starting to figure that out. Alright, I think I'm going to take a break from pedaling and try to catch some fish off this tree right here. Maybe. Let's see. Whew. Oh, that's a lot of exercise. Good times. Alright, see you in a second. It's going to be crazy. I didn't grab any more of these jigs, but I got a bright neon orange curly tail in here, so we're gonna see if that works for a couple casts here. First cast. One more cast and we might try the other side, or we might go further up. Who knows? Alright, got a stonefly on there. These guys do me really good all the time, so hopefully we can finally find some fish with it. I think I'm gonna head closer to the river, see what happens. Maybe get out of the wind a little bit. Don't know, we'll see. Really? Ooh, had some bites finally. Of course, getting blown away here. Some decent bites right there. I'm gonna try to get this little bitty guy over there and see if they're just some tiny bluegill or something. At least it'll give me something on the board for the day. I'm desperate for a fish. We'll try to battle this wind and go back a little bit and see if what was biting what and something will get on these bitsy minnows. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna say I got it yet. I'm waiting till I get in the boat. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. Get in. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh yes. Nice little river bluegill. That was a bluegill biting on it there a little bit ago. Look at this guy. Nice size river bluegill on the bitsy minnow. Something. Finally. For the day. Nice size bluegill. Make sure we're recording. Awesome. Thank you for the bite, friend. Get on. See if we can't get another one. I want to reposition myself again though. But hey, one. Yes. All right, let's downsize here again. Not find anything big quite yet. So we do it like we did before, where we got some big nibbles on that and move forward, but you can actually push back in here, so I'm not gonna go out into the big river. There we go. Number two. Number two. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Is it a white bass, yellow bass? Trout? What in the world? Look at here. Look at here. All the way down from the dam? Oh no, stay in the boat. There we go. Sorry, that was super loud. That is wild. Check this out, y'all. Get my hand wet. Well. Oh no, come on now. Well, this guy's being just a pain. Really? He went under my seat. Daggone fish. Ah. All right, there we go. Wrestled a fish underneath there. We're gonna let him go. It's way out here in the river. That's wild. Okie doke. I'll pull my shoulder. Okay, well, we're gonna recalibrate here and keep fishing. Ooh. Oh, there we go. There we go. Number 3 on the day. Bitsy Minnow's doing the work today. Here we go, another nice sized bluegill as well. Not a big old monster, but good size one. There we go. Ooh. There we go. Sweet. 3 on the day. So we can get back over there and get another one. Probably not. I think I'm tangled up. There we go. Got a snag. I ain't going nowhere. Yeah, there's all kind of limbs here. I'll be at the retie right there. Definitely be a retie. All right, let's pop off and try to get tied back up real quick. Snagged. Dang. Just got unsnagged. Rats. Well, we're running out of time. I'm not. Oh, did I get loose? Maybe I'm loose. Okay. Realists are working our way back in, trying to get these thighs burning, trying to paddle our way back in, but we're out here about 3 hours. Caught a lot less fish than I was hoping, but we did catch 3, so it's a good day regardless. So I had a couple boats fly by me, kind of freaked me out a couple times, but you know, it is what it is. But thank you guys for coming along. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. And hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon. I'll get used to this one day. All right, till next time.